This is the second of a two-part video series showing you how to set up and add content to the Moodle lesson. And in the first part, you saw how to set up the lesson, and in this video, you're going to see how to actually add content to the lesson. So let's go to the content page first. And before we add anything into the page title, the page contents, I'm going to show you something down here at the bottom. Notice that you have 4 content buttons down here. What that means is that you have, and you can add more if you need to, you have 4 links that you can use to branch the lesson in at least 4 different directions. You just, if you want, use one and say next page, but this does give you the opportunity to take students along different pathways, particularly if you have students who are requiring different needs, or if there are many different facets to the same main topic. You might want to use this branching feature. And only 4 options are given here. When we actually set up the lesson, that's one of the things that you can set up. And 4 is the default value. So let's just put in, and I'm actually going to embed a YouTube video, and using the method that we did in the previous class. Before I do that, I'm going to put a count return in. And so let's embed the book resource. Yeah. Okay. And so we need to click on share, remember, and rather than just take the actual URL, I'm going to go down and get the embed code, copy that, and I'm just going to use the size that they give me there. I'm not going to really worry about it so much. You know, maybe I will increase it. I'm going to increase it to frame width 640 by 480. Okay. And let's see how it looks. Beautiful. Good. And so down here in the content button, I'm going to say, and for the jump, I'm going to say, let's jump to the next page. This jump, and you can see that this jump can take you a whole variety of different places, whether it's to the next page, to an unseen question, random content page, whatever. We're just going to keep it simple, lesson, page 1, page 2, page 3, some questions, whatever. And so save page. And now you're taken to the structure of the lesson. And this is the page we've just added. And if you want to preview it, you can. Just click on the preview icon, that magnifying glass, and this is what it's going to see. What you're going to see, click learn more, and because we haven't added the next page, we won't be able to do anything with it. So I'm going to go back to edit and add my next page. So this first video has told us about the book resource in Moodle. What I'm going to do, I'm going to test knowledge, test the person's knowledge, and I'm actually going to add a question page here. And I'm going to use a simple multiple choice question, add a question page, and it is going to be called, and multiple answer you can select if you want to make more than one answer correct and have students select 2 or 3 answers. In this case, we're just going to leave it as one answer, and they have to select the right answer. Note also that the responses are shuffled, so you can feel free to put the correct answer in the first option every time. It won't always come up as the first option. So it's a pretty good answer. And since that's a correct answer, I'm going to give that a score of 1 and let the student, if they answer correctly, jump to the next page. Second answer, That's the incorrect answer, so I'm just going to make the student stay on this current page and give them 0 points for it. And I'm going to add in a third and a fourth answer. Again, incorrect answer. And I'm going to add another one. There's a book. Okay, an online discussion board that allows learners to share their ideas with one another. When you click Save, you see now 2 pages have been added to the lesson. One is the video and the second is the question. And if you preview again it asks you to watch the video. Click on Learn More. Takes you to the question page, and note that the answers have been shuffled. Let's answer A and see what happens. Submit. Not quite. Would you like to try again? Yes, I'd like to try again. So it's going to take you back to the question again. An online discussion board. And again, notice it's shuffled again. A collection of Moodle HTML pages combined as one resource. Submit. That's the correct answer, and it will take you on to the next question, or just end the course. So it says display of grade. It's not going to show it for me because I'm the teacher, and return to the course. So let's go back and edit this some more. We'll add one more page because I normally like to add a review page at the end. So I'm going to add a content page saying, and you can use the ordered or unordered lists. And so what did we learn? So those are my 3 summaries, things that you should have learned. And for my little button at the bottom, I'm going to put congratulations, you have successfully completed lesson. Put an exclamation mark there. Jump to the end of the lesson rather than the next page. Save the page there. And if you, and you know, that's our little mini lesson. And if you preview the lesson, gives you the video. Great. I want to learn some more. It's going to let me do that question. And I'm going to purposefully select the correct answer. Collection of Moodle HTML pages combined as one resource. Good. That one. And then it's going to give me the Let's Summarize page. This is the last page. I've summarized it. Click on this. Congratulations, you have completed the lesson. And it says end of lesson reached. So that's how you create a lesson. As I said, you can add rich content. You can use some of the branching options. There's so many things that you can do with it that it can really be an effective learning tool for you. Have fun fiddling with it. Try it out, and hope this helped.